guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about the AquaSonic Dual Pack of electric toothbrushes. So this one's mine and this one is my husband's.
Ever since I was a kid, I always hated brushing my teeth. Well, this electric toothbrush has changed that. It comes with 3 settings, the first being just your regular clean, the second being more of a whitening, and the third, my personal favorite, kind of sounds like Chewbacca, is the gum massage. I do really love the carry cases for these as well. It is a very sturdy closure and it holds your toothbrush and 2 heads without any problem. There is also an air vent to prevent it getting moldy and gross. These toothbrushes lasted myself and my husband 2 weeks without needing to be charged. We do have the charging station at home and it illuminates blue when it is charging.
So guys, I think they're really awesome. The black and white is super cool. He went with the black because I gave him first choice, and let's face it, it's pretty cool to have a black toothbrush. But I really love it. It has definitely helped my gum health, my teeth, and everything like that too. So I highly recommend it. It's a small price to pay for the investment of good teeth. So I love it, but that's just my point of view.